Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says two fair dice, each with face numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, are rolled together, and the sum of the numbers on the faces is observed. So, it is normal dice which you have to throw, and you have to observe the top face, sum of the number on top face. Okay, this process is repeated till sum is either a prime number or a perfect square. This means what? We have to stop at primes or perfect square. Okay, now you know that the minimum sum is 2, the maximum sum is 12. So which prime number will come? Prime number, perfect square. Look at this. So it is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Okay, what are the perfect squares? So perfect squares are 4, 9. You know that 2 will come once because it is sum 12. Some we have memorized 14. Okay, and the number, minimum number, the pair which makes 14, the least number will be, like, we have to subtract 1 from the least number. So this is 2, so we will make 14. We will make 14 by using 12. So minimum number is 2, so 1 less than 2. So 3 means 2, 5, 4, 7, 6. It is 11. So 3 will make 14, and 3 is the smaller number. So 1 less than 3, sorry, 3 minus 1 is 2. So 11 will come 2 times. 4 will come 3 times. 9 and 5 will make 14, and 1 less than means 5 minus 1 is 4. So 9 will come 4 times. Okay, now look at this. Now it is given that suppose that sum turns out to be a perfect square before it turns out to be prime, means we have to stop at perfect square, means prime will never come, prime number will never come. Okay, now look at this. If okay, here we should have p. If p is the probability that this perfect square is an odd number, so we have to stop at 9. Okay, we have to stop at 9. When it is yes, then the value of 14p is. Now look at this. So we have required probability, we have to stop at, don't write this many things, stop at 9. This is your favorable outcome. Okay, and total number of outcome is stop at 4 or 9. This is the idea. Now look at this. Suppose that you throw a dice and you got 9. So what will be the probability? You know that the probability will become 4 by 36. 4 by 36. Now I'm talking about numerator only. Now suppose that you throw a dice, in first you didn't get 9, in second you got 9. Okay, so you didn't get 9 means what? You will not get 9, you will not get 4, you will not get 11,7,5,3,2, because you know that you will never have a prime number and you don't want 4 either. So which thing will never come? Means this is 4, 3, 7, 7, 3, 10, 10 and 10 is 20, so it is 22. So these 22 will never come. So means 36 minus 22 is what? 14. Means in first it is 14 by 36, and then you got 9, 4 by 36 plus, look at this, 14 by 36, no, 14 by 36, no, now you got 9, 4 by 36. Okay, and this thing will keep on going. Is it clear? Now look at the denominator. In denominator you want 4 or 9, because it is given that you have to stop at a perfect square number, na? Okay, so what is the probability of getting 4 or 9? It is 7, 7 by 36. Okay, plus. Now in next trial you didn't get 4 or 9. You didn't get 4 or 9 means what? You will not get 4, you will not get 9, you will not get 11, 7, 5, 3 and 2. This means what? Again it is 14 by 36 and it is 7 by 36 plus. Same game? No, no, yes. So it is 14 by 36, 14 by 36, and yes, it is 7 by 36 dot dot dot. Okay, these things will keep on going till infinity. Now look at this. Now you have to find out, you have to simplify things. So if you'll observe, it is infinite GP. Okay, so it is A 4 by 36 divided by 1 minus R. What is the common ratio? 14 by 36. Again, this is total numerator. Now total denominator, look at this. A 7 by 36 divided by 1 minus R. Common ratio 14 by 36. Now you can play fruit ninja. This thing gone. 36, 36 gone. So we are left with 4 by 7. And this is P. What do we want? We want 14P. So what we have to do? We have to multiply both sides by 14. So 7 2 times. So the required number is 8. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.